Welcome back to the 28th Southeast Asian Games at Singapore's National Sailing Centre. The triumph of the human spirit lies at the heart of the Games, and in the theme Celebrate the Extraordinary. After paying tribute with a 1-minute silence to the recent earthquake victims in Malaysia, athletes returned to the intense focus of boat preparation. Representing your country is a significant honour, and the elite level of competition demands precise attention to every detail.
I think it's really interesting because in the sense that all the countries from the Southeast Asian region comes together and compete as a community. I think this is like there's friendships that are made throughout this competition, so I think it's a really good opportunity for every sailor to be able to participate in these games.
Understanding the racetrack is essential, as sailors hunt out wind shifts to give themselves an advantage. Competition is hard and intense. One team's tactical move will force another team to make a counter move. Mastering manoeuvres, mark roundings, and anticipating how a rival's threat can be dealt with reward teams with tactical and speed advantage around the course. In the men's fleet racing keelboat, a chess game unfolded between Singapore and the Philippines. Racing was neck and neck as each team held their nerve in fierce boat-on-boat battles, an impressive tactical showdown. With the aid of photo finishes, the nations end the day in a draw, 7 points each. Three races today for the under-19 laser radial men's fleet. Singapore's Bernie Chin knows what it takes to win and so far is setting the pace, counting 5 bullets from 8 races. Indonesia's Ahmad Zainuddin lost some ground, but the leaderboard remains open, with just 9 points separating the podium's top 3. In the women fleet racing keelboat, Singapore's team, skippered by Jovina Chu, continue to put all their years of experience into play. The team has delivered a punishingly accurate partnership, which sees them unbeaten in the 6 races so far. Alongside the racing experience, athletes and visitors at the Southeast Asian Games, the region's biggest multi-sports event, have the opportunity to soak up the atmosphere and festival experience from the numerous cultural and fringe activities taking place throughout the city.